Hey, I'm Jo, the designer behind Cedar and Vine. We are a slow fashion linenwear brand that believes in timeless design. Slow fashion is about designing, creating, and consuming for longevity. Clothing is one of the first things that people notice about you, and I think that's what makes it so cool, because it's essentially wearing your values on your sleeve. Cost per wear is taking the dollar amount that you spend on a piece of clothing and dividing it by the amount of times you wear it. What I love about this analogy is that it gets you to think of your clothing purchases as an investment. And not only are you investing in a quality piece of clothing, you're also investing in your local economy and a brand that hopefully aligns with your own personal values. At Cedar and Vine, we create our garments made to order, especially for you when you purchase a garment from us. This means that we can be more sustainable as a brand because we don't have as much waste in our manufacturing process and we aren't sending unwanted inventory to landfill. We also don't have to put pressure on you as a consumer to buy products that we've already made. Our favorite part of doing made to order is that even for a small brand, we can offer a wide size and color range, and even minor size tweaks or customizations, so that you can get a product that you truly love and will wear for years. Made in Canada is important to me because having all of our process take place under one roof allows us to be 100% transparent with our practices. Linen is known for its quality and longevity. It has amazing wearing properties, and I love that it gets better with age. It kind of takes on this sort of character, which creates a connection to our garments, something that I think is lacking in our use and discard society. Choose well, make it last. That quote embodies everything we want for our customers, but ultimately it encompasses everything we want for our brand.